Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and model so you know which menus to expect. Once done, open Settings and use the search bar to find notifications quickly. Make sure notification access permissions are granted for the app you want to monitor, otherwise retrieval won't work. If a system prompt appears, accept it. This grants the required OS-level access. You're now positioned at the notifications screen and ready to move to per-app configuration and detailed retrieval controls. You now select the target app from notifications or apps to tailor how its messages arrive. Tap into the app's notification settings and enable Show Notifications, then pick an importance level that matches urgency. Higher importance bypasses do not disturb in many cases. Next, enable notification history if available, or grant notification listener access for third-party tools. That listener permission is why the system can capture content. Without it, you'll only get basic badges and sounds. You should trigger a test notification now from the app or use a built-in preview to verify delivery. Pull down the notification shade and inspect notification history or the listener app's logs to confirm the content is captured. If nothing appears, make sure battery optimization isn't blocking background activity and reopen permissions to reconfirm notification access. A common troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable battery saver and retest, because aggressive background limits often prevent retrieval even when permissions look correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.